How to pick GPS location on Android. Go to Play Store. Install this app, Pick GPS Location. Close your Play Store. Go to Settings. Scroll to down. Go to System. Go to Developer option. Scroll to down. Select Moklo app. Select the app. Now close the settings. Go to the app. After you open the app, now choose a location that you want to make. Now I'll choose Russia. Here is my location. Tap on this play button. So now go to Google Map. After you open Google Map, tap on this section to see your current location. So as you can see now, here is my current location. Now it turns to Russia. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.